Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Learn2Leads. Today I will guide you through the process of installing Python on MacBook, and I will also run a simple Hello World program to check whether the Python is working or not. So without wasting any time, let's open the Chrome browser. Search Python on the search bar and click on the first website. Click on downloads. As I have already downloaded the Python, so I will open my download folder to install the Python. So as you can see the package over here, first right click on the package, open with installer, and click on continue, then click on agree, click on install, and then give your password. And now it's installing. Okay, wait for 10 seconds, it will take a time. Just minimize it. As you can see, I have successfully installed Python on MacBook. So I will click on close and move to Win. As I have told you that I will run a simple Hello World program to check whether the Python is working or not. So let's open the Python idle. So the full form of idle is Integrated Development Learning Environment. So let's open the idle and let me write print Hello World. Let me hit enter. So as you can see, Python is working on our system. So from tomorrow, we'll start Python basic. And if you find this video informative, so please subscribe our channel and hit the like button so you will never miss out our tutorial. And thanks for watching.